In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a request form with multi-level approval workflows. This might sound complex, but I'm going to break it down into simple steps so you can have a fully functional request form set up in just a few minutes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to streamline your approval process using multi-level workflows. Let's get started. First, we'll need to choose the software we'll be using for this tutorial. I've tested several of the most popular tools for building these types of forms, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create a multi-level approval workflow using the software that's easiest to set up and use. If you want to follow along and build your own form, check out the exclusive free trial I have linked in the description below. It's only available to viewers of this channel, so don't miss out. The first thing you want to do is create a new request form. This will be the base of your workflow. You'll need to add the fields you want to collect from your users. Most request forms include basic information like name, department, and reason for the request, but feel free to customize it based on your specific needs. Now that your form is ready, let's move on to the approval workflow. This is where the magic happens. For multi-level approvals, you'll need to set up different stages. Each stage will represent a level of approval, and each stage will have its own conditions for approval or rejection. Start by setting up your first approval stage. This will be your initial level of review, where someone in your organization looks over the request. Depending on the software you're using, you can either assign a specific person to handle this stage or set it up so that a group or team can review requests. Make sure to add conditions, like requiring specific fields to be filled out before this stage can be completed. Once your first approval stage is set, you'll move on to the next level. In many cases, you'll want a higher level manager or supervisor to approve the request before it moves forward. Add this as your second stage and make sure it's set to trigger once the first level is approved. You can even add additional conditions that need to be met before this stage is completed, such as checking if the request is within budget or if the request complies with certain policies. As you set up each stage, don't forget to test the workflow. This ensures that when one level of approval is finished, the form automatically moves to the next stage, and each person involved knows when it's their turn to approve or reject the request. You'll also want to make sure the workflow notifies the right people when action is required, whether by email, in-app notifications, or another method. Once your multi-level approval workflow is complete, you'll want to double-check everything. Test the form by submitting a few test requests and see if the approvals work as expected. Check that the form moves smoothly through each stage and that each approval level can either approve or reject the request, and that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've set up a request form with multi-level approval workflows. This will help streamline your processes, saving time and improving efficiency across your organization. Before we wrap up, here's a key takeaway. Multi-level approval workflows help you create an organized, systematic way to handle requests. By breaking down the approval process into stages, you ensure that the right people are involved at each step and that nothing slips through the cracks. To quickly recap, we started by setting up the request form, then created multiple approval stages with specific conditions at each level. After testing, we made sure everything flowed seamlessly. Remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below so you can try out this software and follow along with this tutorial. It's only available to my viewers, so don't miss your chance. Thanks for watching.